Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Cell Phones and Accessories. We are uploading cell phones and accessories related goods frequently. In this video you will find Boost's 5G/4G LTE, Omni Outdoor Antenna, Home and Office Multi-User All-Carrier, Verizon AT&T Sprint T-Mobile, FCC Approved, USA Company SureCall Fusion4Home Cell Phone Signal Booster up to 2,000 square feet. This video will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. Technical details: product dimensions 7.9 by 5 by 1.2 inches. Item weight 2.1 pounds. ASIN-B01AG Fort. Item model number SC Poly 72 or A kit. Is discontinued by manufacturer no. Other display features: wireless color Fusion4Home Omni, WIP. What's in the box? Fusion4Home Omni, WIP kit. Department cell phone signal booster kit. Manufacturer SureCall. Country of origin China. Date first available October 15, 2015.